No one calls this a success story at the beginning, because it started with breakdowns, delays, and constant losses. But somehow, a $2,000 decision inside all that chaos became a $300 million logistics network. You didn't build a company first. You started by solving one personal problem. Deliveries were unreliable and expensive. With $2,000, you bought a second-hand van and tried to run deliveries manually. But immediately, problems started showing up. The first problem was fuel. You realized half your money was disappearing into fuel inefficiency. Then came delays. Routes were completely random. And worst of all, customers stopped trusting you. At one point, you were actually losing money on every delivery. The business wasn't growing. It was leaking. And that's when most people quit. But instead, you started tracking everything. You stopped guessing routes and started mapping them. You realized something simple. Most deliveries were repeating the same inefficient paths. So you built your first system, route batching. Then you attacked fuel waste. Instead of driving per order, you grouped deliveries by zone. Suddenly, fuel costs dropped by almost half. That one change saved the business. But customers still didn't trust delivery timing. So you added something simple: tracking. People could now see where their package was in real time. Now something changed. The system started working without you in every delivery. So instead of doing more work, and that's when logistics becomes powerful, because once the system works, it doesn't care how big it gets. Each new city just repeats the same structure. The $2,000 didn't build the empire, the systems did. And every problem became the blueprint for the next level.